And now, it's the time that we've all been waiting for, the official investiture and badging ceremony. Let's hand over the duties and responsibilities of the school to its elected members through a badge. Now, I request President of the function, Dr. Peter Fernandez, to hand over the badges to the school captain of high school section, Parthiv. School pupil leader of primary section, Siana Lobo. Y school captain of high school section, Jordan D'Souza. Assistant School Pupil Leader of Primary Section, Anush Shetty. Thank you, sir. Now I request the chief guest of the program, Reverend Father Paul Coutinho, to hand over the badges to the discipline committee members of primary section. Syed Fahik. Khatija Hania. Milan D'Souza. Mariam Aira. Thank you, Father. Now, I request the guest of honor of the program, Dr. Gananath Shetty, to hand over the badges to the members of Health Committee of Primary Section. Nutan H.A. Maimuna Tashrifa. Ashmit S. Devadiga. Thank you, sir. Now, I request Mr. E. Janardhana, guest of the day, to hand over the badges to the members of sports and cultural clubs of primary section. Manas. Delcia D'Souza. Abhidnya SP. Varsha Nayak. Thank you, sir.
Now, I request Mrs. Shweta S. Jain, guest of the day, to hand over the badges to the elected members of different clubs of high school section. Slanya Narana, President of Cultural Club. Shruta Jain, Secretary of Cultural Club. Shanum Fatima, President of Science Club. Tanush R. Devadiga, Secretary of Science Club. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Kamath, the principal of PU section, to hand over the badges to the members of Literary and Interact Club of High School section. Rishan Fernandez, President of Literary Club. Sanvi H. Shetty, Secretary of Literary Club. Zubeda bin Zahid, President of Interact Club. Lakshanya P.R., Secretary of Interact Club. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Sister Charlotte Siquera, Counselor of Christ King Institution, to hand over the badges to the members of Sports Club. Amrit Shettiga, President of Sports Club. Sanvi S. Kotian, Secretary of Sports Club. Thank you, sister. Now I request Mr. Prakash D'Souza, PTA President of High School Section, to hand over the badges to the members of Discipline Committee. Arush S. Shetty, President of Discipline Committee. Richard D'Souza, Secretary of Discipline Committee. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. Lynette D'Souza, PTA President of Primary Section, to hand over the badges to the members of the Eco Club. Lanisha Mendonca, President of Eco Club. Sanwe Marte, Secretary of Eco Club. Thank you, ma'am.
Education is the mother of leadership. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. As it is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. The most anxious awaited moment has finally arrived. Now you will witness the much anticipated oath-taking ceremony performed by the council members who will take their oath of office with the promise that they would carry out their duties with integrity, faith and excellence. Here, I request Mr. Rudolph Kishore Lobo, Headmaster of Primary Section, to kindly sworn in the newly formed cabinet.
This institution stand forward. I shall discharge my duties with sincerity, honesty and humility. I will be a role model in conduct, character and discipline. I should work in harmony with my peers. Nature and be fair and just in all my actions. I did this for being aware of the responsibilities and expectations that come with the large area. I promise to lead by example and strive to bring pride to my institution. Thank you.